Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टुडेस लेक्चर. सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सम ऑफ दिस बेसिक सैम्पल केसेस फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. ठीक है. सो अभी देखिए, अभी पैटर्न कैसे रहेगा वो पहले हम लोग देखते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम जो है डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. सो देखिए, आपके लिए टाइम जो रहेगा 2 आवर्स का रहेगा. दैट इज योर टाइम विल बी टोटली फॉर द 2 आवर्स एंड मैक्सिमम मार्क्स विल बी फॉर द 50. यस, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आपको कितने मिलेंगे? 50. दैट इज 50. सो जो जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. सो फर्स्टली प्लीज रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली. So now this question paper consists of the 21 questions in two sections. It will be 21 questions in two sections. So section A and section B. ऐसे दो sections जो है आपके question paper में जो है वो रहेंगे. Okay. So likewise we are going to solve this. ठीक है. Section A has the objective type questions and whereas the section B contains subjective type questions. सेक्शन ए में टोटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, जैसे कि एमसीक्यूज, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, राइट. एंड सेक्शन बी विल बी द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. मतलब यहाँ पर कैसे रहेगा सेक्शन बी में आपके लिए? सब्जेक्टिव टाइप मीन्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव उसके आंसर जो एक्चुअल लिखने हैं. सो बट सेक्शन ए में आपको क्या करने हैं? एमसीक्यूज जो है वो टोटली सॉल्व करने हैं. सो नाउ आउट ऑफ द गिवन 16.5 is equals to, that is what, totally 21 questions. A candidate has to answer 5 plus 10, that is 15 questions. ठीक है. आपको आउट ऑफ द 21 क्वेश्चंस आपको कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं? दैट इज 15 क्वेश्चंस इन अलॉटेड मैक्सिमम टाइम ऑफ 2 आवर्स. ठीक है. आपको आवर्स कितने रहेंगे? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जो आई टी इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की जो रहेगा दैट विल बी 2 आवर्स मैक्सिमम यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट. So the all questions of a particular section must be attempted in the corrected order. So the order जो है वो आप लोग क्या कीजिए? properly follow कीजिए. So likewise you are going to solve or you are going to attempt all the questions in the correct orders. So अभी देखिए, the section 1 के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं और डिटेल में बताऊंगी. सेक्शन 1 में, सेक्शन ए में आपको किसे रहेगा? ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे आपको 24 मार्क्स के लिए. ठीक है. So this question is going to have the 5 questions, that is this section is going to have the 5 questions and mark allotted are mentioned against the each questions or part. So यहाँ पर there will be no any negative marking and जो आपको लोगों को पहले instructions दिए हैं, so do as per the instructions given there. Then the section B will be the subjective type question that will be for 26 mark. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या आपको write करना है? आपको descriptive questions जो है उसके answers यहाँ पर देने. So this question is going to have totally 16 questions. Totally questions कितने रहेंगे आपके लिए? 16 questions जो है आपके लिए यहाँ पर रहेंगे. Okay. And candidate has to do 10 questions. मतलब out of 16 आपको कितने questions solve करने हैं students? 10 questions जो है आपको solve करने हैं. And you have obviously you are going to have the all the instructions. ये instructions हैं. So please ये instructions जो है follow करें and question paper solve करने की try करें. So do as per the instructions given and marks allotted are mentioned against each question and each part. So let us start with today's question paper. So friends, today we will start with the next question paper, the next sample question paper. So the section 1 we are going to start with, that is objective type questions. So objective type questions make question number 1, that is answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions based on the employee ability skills. So each question is going to carry 1 mark and 4 questions will be for the 4 marks each. Okay. So here अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे देखिए, पहले ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप्स क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग वी विल डायरेक्टली मूव टुवर्ड्स द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. Okay. So the question number 1 is, okay, 6 questions are there and we have to solve the 4 questions. Okay. So the question number 1 we are going to start with, that is, Karan lives at a hostel in Shimla. He calls his mother, who lives in Delhi, to get her approval for the robotics class, which is going to start in his school next week onwards. However, due to disruption in the phone line, his mother could not understand and reply to him. He got very upset. So instead of using other medium, that is phone line, which another medium can he use to get the immediate approval of his mother? ठीक है, अभी उसने फोन लाइन पे कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की है, but due to some error or due to some disruption, the mother could not understand what he wants to say. So your options are A, email, B, letter, C, message through friend, and lastly D, fax. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is email. By sending the email, Karan can easily connect with his mother so that he can get the immediate approval. So we will move towards the next question, that is question number 2. Trisha is always tense during the exam time. She is a sincere and studious student, but the thought of exam creates anxiety in her. Which state management technique that would suggest to help her? So your options are A, yoga, B, exercise, C, vacation with family, and D, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Yes, for stress management you can use the yoga, then exercise, then vacation with the family. Okay, so we will move towards the next question. Dash is the ability of a person to do the things that need to be done without someone or something influencing us. So your options are A, self-motivation, B, self-discipline, C, self-awareness, and lastly D, self-regulation. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is A, self-motivation. Yes, self-motivation is the ability of a person to do the things that need to be done without someone or something influencing us. So we will move towards the next question. According to the concept of sustainable development, the environment and development are issues. The options are A, inseparable, B, separate, C, independent, and D, none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is inseparable. Yes, according to the concept of sustainable development, the environment and development issues are inseparable. So we will move towards the next question. The cleaning of software installed in the computer cannot be achieved by A, disk cleanup, B, backup, C, cleaning CPU cabinet, and D, installing antivirus software. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is cleaning CPU cabinet. So the cleaning of software installed in the computer cannot be achieved by cleaning CPU cabinet. So we will move towards the next question. Entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the dash of the society. First one, evolution, then planning, C, functioning, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is C, functioning. Entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the functioning of the society. So we'll move towards the question number 2. That is, answer any 5 out of the 6 questions. Okay, so each question is going to carry 1 mark. So 5 questions will be of the 5 marks. So we will move towards the next question. That is question number 1. Dash is not instant messaging service. Okay. So your options are A. Skype, B. Yahoo Messenger, C. Firefox, and D. WhatsApp. So the correct answer is C. Firefox. Yes, Firefox is not an instant messaging service. So we'll move towards the next question. Dash is the process of emptying a place in case of an emergency or disaster. So options are A. Accident, C. B. Evacuations, C. Hazards, and D. Exit. So the correct answer is B. Evacuation. So evacuation is the process of emptying a place in case of an emergency or disaster. So we will move towards the next question. So the question number 3 is, Richard needs to set up a network for his office where he wants to save all the data in a centralized system, and other computers will take the services from a centralized system. Which architecture will be the best suitable for him? Options are A. Peer to peer, B. Client server, C. Point to point, and D. Tree. So the correct answer is client server. That is option number B. So Richard will need the client server centralized system architecture. Then we will move towards the next question. A dash is a device that converts digital computer signals into a form, analog signals, that can travel over the phone lines and vice versa. So options are A. Repeater, B. Switch, C. Router, and D. Modem. So the correct answer is modem. Yes, a modem is a device that converts the digital signals into a form, that is analog signals, that can travel over the phone lines and vice versa. So we will move towards the next question. Dash is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to a set of rules that you define in a spreadsheet. So options are A goal seek, B scenario, C solver, and D subtotal. So try to find out the answer for the same. So the correct answer is C solver. Solver is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to a set of rules that you define in a spreadsheet. So we will move towards the next question. Question number 6. Dash refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen anchor. So options are A alignment, B footer, C margin, and D headings. So the correct answer is alignment. A alignment refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen anchor point. So we will move towards the next question, that is question number 3. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Each question will carry 1 mark and 5 questions will be for the 5 marks. So the question number 1. Krishna wants to make a flow chart for his programs in a Word document. Which options should he use to accomplish this task efficiently? Option A drawing or shapes, B symbols, C pictures, D all of these. So the correct answer is A drawing. It is drawing or shapes. So if you want to make a flowchart in your Word document, you should use drawing or shapes. We'll move towards the next question. Fatima has inserted a picture in a document, but she wants to cut off a part of the picture. Which option she should use to accomplish the task? The options are A cut, B copy, C crop, and D layout. The correct answer is C crop. So Fatima should use crop option to cut off the part of the picture. The next question is the intersection point between a row and column is called. Options are A row, B column, C table, and D cell. So the correct answer is D cell. The intersection point between a row and column is called cell. So we will move towards the next question. Amrita is celebrating her 40th birthday. She wants to invite her friends and family members to the party. Which feature will she use to send the same invite to many people with different addresses without typing it again and again? So options are A mail merge, B letter wizard, C document type, D none of these. So the correct answer is A mail merge. So Amrita should use mail merge to send the mail to different addresses without typing it again and again. Then we will move towards the next question. A dash is a model that you use to create other documents. Options are A styles, B template, C wizard, and D sample. So the correct answer is template. A template is a model that you use to create other documents. Then the next question is last question number 6. Formulas in a spreadsheet must begin with a dash sign. Options are A dollar, B at the rate, C hash, and D is equals to. So the correct option is equals to. Formulas in a spreadsheet must begin with a equals to sign. Then the next question, question number 4. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 question. If we say MCQ, say that is you will be having the 6 question, out of which you have to solve the 5, and each question which will carry 1 mark. So the question number 1, dash is a tool to test what if questions. Options are A scenario, B solver, C macro, and D average. The correct answer is scenario. Scenario is a tool which is used to test what if questions. Then we will move towards the next question. Rohit scored 25 out of the 30 in English, 22 out of 30 in maths. He wants to calculate the score in IT. He needs to achieve 85% in aggregate. Suggest him the suitable options out of the following to do so. Options are A macro, B solver, C goal seek, and D sum. So the correct answer is C goals. The next question is dash can be used in a spreadsheet software to jump to a different location from within a spreadsheet and can lead to other parts of the current file, to different files, or even to websites. So options are A illustrations, B hyperlinks, C links, and D filter. So the correct answer is hyperlinks. Hyperlinks can be used in spreadsheet software to jump to different locations from within a spreadsheet and can lead to other parts of the current file, to different files, or even to websites. So we will move towards the next question. Dash uses the keyboard as a pointing device instead of mouse. Options are A, mouse key, B, toggle key, C, filter key, and D, stick. So the correct answer is A, mouse. Mouse key uses the keyboard as a pointing device instead of a mouse. Then the next question is, Krish and Kritika have done a survey of age-wise literacy rates of their locality as a school project, which they have created in a spreadsheet. They both want to work simultaneously to complete it on a time. Which option they should use to access the same spreadsheet to speed up their work? Options are A, consolidated worksheet, B, shared worksheet, C, link worksheet, and D, lock worksheet. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is B, shared worksheet. So Krish and Kritika should use shared spreadsheet option to speed up their work. So we will move towards the next question. Database is a type of dash database is a type of database that stores data in several tables. So the options are A, flat, B, relational, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is B. Relational database is a type of database that stores data in several tables. Then we will move towards the next question. Question number 5. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So each question is carrying 1 mark and 5 questions will carry 5 marks. So question number 1. In database, dash helps us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Options are A, forms, B, reports, C, queries, and D, table. So the correct answer is C, queries. In database, queries helps us to retrieve the filter data based on some conditions. Then the next question is, a dash is one which connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, computer laboratory, office building, or closely positioned group of buildings. So options are A, LAN, B, WAN, C, MAN, and D, PAN. So your timestamps now. The correct option is A, LAN. A LAN is one which connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, computer laboratory, office building, or closely positioned group of buildings. Then we will move towards the next question. Rudraksh wants that the name of column of a table must not be left blank. Help him to identify the field property for this purpose. So options are A, length, B, default, C, entry required, and D, font. The correct answer is B, default. So Rudraksh will need the default field property for the purpose not to keep the column of a table blank. So students, that's all for today. We will continue in the next session. Till then, bye. So friends, at the end of the session, let me tell you about the offers for both Iconic and Plus subscribers. जी हाँ, हमारी जो ऑफर है Iconic और Plus सब्सक्राइबर के लिए, it is going to end on 31st July 2021 Saturday. So there किस बात के, let me tell you about the mega offers, exciting mega offers for CBSE classes from class 6 to class 10. देखिए ऑफर जो है ऐसी है, सपोज आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है फॉर लाइक 12, 15 एंड 18 मंथ्स, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 2 मंथ्स. यस, टोटली. अगर आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है दैट इज फॉर 24, 36 एंड 48 मंथ्स, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 4 months. And if you are going to have the 60, 72 and 84 months CBSE subscription, then you are going to get the totally 6 months free CBSE subscription. So there की बात की है students, just please enroll for that. And yes, obviously, if you are having the Creative Corner subscription for the 12, 15 and 18 months, so आपको 2 months का subscription जो है वो totally free मिलेगा. And if you are having the subscription for the 24, 36 and 48 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get the totally 4 months free subscription. So likewise, if you are having the subscription for 60, 72 and 84 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get totally 6 months, obviously, totally free subscription for Creative Corner subscriptions. So student, if you are excited for the दिस मेगा ऑफर्स, तो जल्दी से जल्दी जो है आपका आइकॉनिक और प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो एनरोल कीजिए. यस, ऑफर इज गोइंग टू एंड ऑन 31st July 2021. So please note down the date and subscribe to our Unacademy Iconic as well as the plus subscription. So as including that, you are going to get the flat 10% discount on purchasing प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर ऑल ड्यूरेशन। अगर आप लोग कोई भी प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे तो उसके लिए आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा फॉर ऑल ड्यूरेशंस। So friends, let me tell you about the CBSE latest guidelines. And these guidelines are live on Unacademy. Yes. So our new batches are going to start from the 19th July for CBSE classes 9 and class 10. So देखिए बैच जो है this will be totally dedicated to the term 1. And yes, obviously your term 1 is going to end in the 3 months. So term 1 is very much needed. And yes, our new CBSE guidelines are totally followed while we are designing our courses. So our courses are completely aligned with the new CBSE guidelines. Yes, obviously, and all subjects are included in this CBSE latest syllabus also. Yes, obviously, the term is going to have the same, that is, we are going to have Hindi as well as English language as the mode of delivery. So हमारी जो language रहेगी वो हिंदी भी रहेगी और English भी रहेगी. So you can have as per your convenience and as per your requirements. So that is but students, so just try to enroll for these things so that you will have the more benefits for the Unacademy plus as well as iconic subscriptions. So let me tell you about the mega launch Mondays. Yes, अभी हर महीने की तरह इसमें आने वाले मंडे, that is for the August month is also we are having the mega launch Mondays. So we are going to have the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. And yes, obviously it is going to start from the 2nd August 2020. जी हाँ, 2 अगस्त 2021 को जो है हमारी न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग एंड NCERT एक्सरसाइजेस. सो ये क्लासेस जो रहेंगे CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए रहेंगे. For term 1, we are going to focus on the batches like maths, science, English, Hindi and SST. So यहाँ पर भी हम आपको क्या रहेगा, डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स रहेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड एंड द डेट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 2nd August 2020. So note down this yet and enroll for the mega launch Mondays. And obviously we are going to have the Unacademy batches. हमारे जो batches है, our new batches are going to start on every Monday. So there are some challenges batches also. They are going to start on the 2nd August 2021. So in the previous slide, I have told you about the class 10. So let me tell you about the class 9s also. So देखिए class 9 के challenges batches रहेंगे. The subjects which are going to be included are like the maths is there, science is there, English is there, Hindi is there, and SST, that is social sciences, are also included in our new Unacademy batches. So हमारे batches जो the new batches are going to start on the every Monday, and we are going to have the expert teachers regarding that particular subjects also. So for class 9 and class 10th, we are going to have the new batches for on every Monday and mega launch. That's why it is called mega launch Mondays. So students, let me tell you about the Unacademy plus as well as iconic subscription. देखिए आपको दो टाइप के सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेंगे. Let me tell you firstly about the plus subscription. Plus subscription क्या है देखिए. The plus subscription is basic plan to get started. Yes. So plus subscription में अगर आप लोग जाएंगे तो आपको क्या बोलेगा, in as best educators will be included there. Then we are going to have the interactive live classes. आपकी क्लासेस जो interactive live रहेंगी. उसके बाद we are going to have the live tests and live quizzes also. जैसे कि previous lectures में भी हम लोगों ने लिए थे. And yes, our course will be total structured courses and PDFs. So notes regarding that particular subject will be also provided for the students. So these are all the benefits of the plus subscription. So likewise we are going to have the iconic subscription. देखिए iconic subscription में क्या कर सकते हैं, you are going to take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक personal mentor रहेगा. So iconic subscription में भी क्या रहेंगी, plus subscription की सारी चीजें रहेंगी, जैसे India's best educator, then interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs will be there. So iconic में एक एडवांटेज क्या रहेगा, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पर्सनल मेंटर. यस, आपके लिए खुद का एक पर्सनल मेंटर रहेगा. देन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, आपके डाउट्स जो है उसके लिए लाइव सॉल्यूशंस आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. Then next you are going to have the parent connect. Yes, obviously the students parent connection and parent teacher connection will be there, so that the parent will have the more idea about your progress. And obviously you are going to get the study planner also. यहाँ पर आपको आपके लिए खुद का एक स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो मिल जाएगा. सो ये सारे जो क्या है प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शंस के बेनिफिट्स है. सो इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द क्लास 9, 10th, 11, 12 सब्सक्रिप्शन, एंड इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव क्लास 10th, क्लास 11th एंड 12 सब्सक्रिप्शन, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा और बेनिफिट क्या है. देखिए पहले लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12 सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर प्लस. ठीक है, अभी प्लस के लिए आपको देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे रहेंगे. फॉर 3 months यू आर गोइंग टू हैव the 2,500 per month, that is totally 7,500 for 3 months. Then for 6 months you are going to have the 10,000 for total 6 months, that is 1,667 for per month. And yes, obviously you are going to get the 33% off, that is 30% discount also. Now if you are going for the 12-month subscription, you are going to get the 50% off, and you are going to have 1,250 per month obviously, and you are going to have the total package of 15,000. जी हाँ, 15,000 का जो है पूरा पैकेज रहेगा. वैसे if you are going for the 15-month subscription, you are going to get totally 1,200 for per month with 18,000 for total 15 months on 52% off discount. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to get the 56% off with 1,111 rupees per month and 20,000 rupees for totally 18 months. So likewise, if you are going for the 24 months, then you are going to have the 1,042 for per month, and you are going to have the 25,000 for totally 24 months. Now if you are going for the 36 months, you are going to get the 64% off on 889 per month and 32,000 for totally 36 months. Now if you are going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the 833 per month and 40,000 for totally 48 months. So जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिलेगा. सो अगर आप लोगों को आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12th के लिए क्लास आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, तो आपके लिए पैकेजेस कैसे रहेगी. देखिए पहले की तरह 3 months रहेगा, 4,000 per month and 12,000 for totally 3 months. Now if you are going for 6 months, you are going to get the 29% off and 17,000 for 6 months and 2,833 for per month. Likewise, if you are going for the 12 months, you are going to get the 42% off discount, and you are going to have the 2,333 for per month and 28,000 for totally 12 months. Now if you are going for the 15 months, then you are going to get the totally 47% discount, and yes, obviously you are going to have the 2,133 per month with the 32,000 for 15 months totally. Now if you are going for the 18 months, you will get the totally 1,944 for per month with 51% discount and 35,000 for totally 18 months. So if you go for the 24 months, you will get the 48,000 total whole package with the 2,000 per month on 50% discount. Then if you are going for the 36 months, then you will have the package of 66,000 with 1,833 per month. And if you are lastly going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the total package of the 83,000 with 1,729 per month, that is totally 57%. So based on your choices, you can take your subscriptions also. So जितना आप ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतने आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो ज़्यादा मिलता जाएगा. So the next one, let me tell you about the class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription for both the plus as well as the iconic. देखिए आइकॉनिक आपको लोगों को पता चला होगा वो जो कि है प्लस का थोड़ा सा एडवांस्ड है. सो आइकॉनिक के लिए और प्लस के लिए हमारे पास 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 एंड 36 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन है. सो लाइकवाइज जो है आइकॉनिक के भी रहेंगे 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 and 36 months. Now, if you are going for the 3-month subscription for Plus, you are going to have the 7,500 for whole 3 months with 2,500 for per month. If you are going for 6 months, then you are going to have the 10,000 for total package and 1,667 per month with 31% off. If you are going for 12 months, you are going to have the 15,000 package and 1,215 per month with 50% off. If you are going for 15 months, you are going to get the 18,000 for the whole package and you are going to have the 1,200 per month with 52% off. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to have the 20,000 package for the 18 months with 1,111 for per month. If you are going for 24 months, you will get the 25,000 package for all months and 1,042 package for the per month. If you are going for 36 months, you are going to have the package for 32,000 with the 889 per month. So आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो 64% ऑफ मिलेगा. So likewise for Iconic, if you are going for 3 months, you will get the 12,000 as well as you are going to get the 4,000 for per month. If you are going for 6 months for Iconic, you will get the 17,000 package with 2,832. If you are going for 12 months, then you are going to have the 28,000 for the whole package with 2,333 per month. If you are going for 15 months, you will get 32,000 for whole the package and you will get the 2,133 package per month with 47% off. If you go for 18 months, you will get the 35,000 whole package and 1,944 per month. Now, if you go for 24 months, you will have the 48,000 for whole package with 2,000 per month. And if you are going for 36 months, you will get the 66,000 for whole the package and 1,833 for per month with 54% ऑफ. जितना आप ज़्यादा लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है एडवांटेज जो है ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस यू कैन हैव द सब्सक्रिप्शंस. So let me tell you about the upcoming Unacademy Combat. So you can win the scholarships worth the most challenging battle to level up preparation and practice for class 9th and class 10th. And obviously it is the पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको क्या मिलेगा, अच्छे प्राइस मिलेंगे, प्राइस वर्थ रुपीज अप टू दी 1 करोड़. ऑब्वियसली इससे भी पहले एक दो ऑलरेडी कमबैक हम लोगों ने ले चुके हैं हम बैक एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल. So इसका पैटर्न कैसे लगा दे, look, you will be having the 30 questions for the 45 minutes. The test will be in the both, that is Hindi as well as English language. आपकी जो टेस्ट है आप लोग फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एंड्रॉइड, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड ऐप भी होगा, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. अगर आपके पास एप्पल है वो भी चलेगा. देन इफ यू आर हैविंग योर ओन लैपटॉप देन नो प्रॉब्लम. सो ये कॉम्बैक्ट जो है इट विल बी ऑन दी 1 August and you can enroll in the description given below our videos. And yes, obviously it will be for the classes class 9th and class 10 at 11 AM. Date लिख लीजिए 1 August 2021. So you are going to have the plus 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Unacademy subscription. So you can use my code, that is DDLive, for the 10% off. And yes, obviously download the Unacademy app now and try all these features for free. And you can use my code, that is DDLive, and get it on the Google Play as well as you can download from the Apple Store. So that's all for today's lecture. Bye. Unacademy, let's go.